Hello, and welcome to our video on configuring the DS-NVS software. This will also apply to the DS-SRV and DS-SRV2. In today's video, we will be using DS Quick Setup to configure our system. We're going to take a look at our first screen here, and as you can see, we've got three options. We're going to go ahead and select the first one, which is going to allow us to configure a new system from scratch. An important thing to keep in mind, if this option is selected on a system that already has an existing configuration, it will wipe out that configuration. The second option here, if we're only looking to add a camera, we can do that using that one. The last, we'll simply exit the installer without making any changes. So we're going to select the first option here and click Next. Now, very important in Digital Sentry, the two things you want to have done before you configure the system are: 1, set the computer name to what it should be. 2, set the IP address. Once we confirm that, click Next. On this screen, we're going to select our storage location. Here we have several options. We're only going to select the E drive for now. So to do that, uncheck the box and then click Next. On the bottom, you'll notice the minimum storage. You can set that for the amount of drive you want to keep just free. Here we set recording. Now this applies to all cameras. We're going to select continuous and click Next. On the next screen, this is our IP camera discovery. Any cameras that are on the network should show up here. In our case, we have a single IMP, so we'll check mark that, and then we'll see a little preview video. On the bottom, we can confirm settings such as PTZ. We can also confirm the password, which is very important. So if we're in a situation where we want to just test to make sure the password is what we believe it to be, we can go here, click Validate, and it'll tell us. If we want to see it so we know what that is, just click the Unmask button. Once we confirm that and have selected the correct camera, click Next. This screen here will show us all of our settings and the cameras that are going to be added. Go ahead and click the Next button to continue on. Now this is very important. We want to change the password. We here at Pelco recommend changing the admin password from the default. This will automatically be incorporated into DS Control Point. Now, it does not automatically incorporate into DS Admin. What that means is if you were to go and run DS Admin separately, it won't automatically put in the new password. So you want to be sure that you click the button here, verify the password, so that way when you log into DS Admin, should you need to, we know the password to enter. Once this is done, click Next, and we're going to go ahead and automatically launch DS Control Point. This will bring up our system, which will show on the left-hand side under System. We're going to change our screen view here to a single camera view since we only have one camera, and then drag and drop that camera over. We are now recording, which is indicated by the blue border for continuous motion. If this had been set to normal, the border would be green.